be hungry. Are you hungry, you? You must be. Nice weather today. Oh, another one. White. See, I didn't cut the grass and now butterflies have flowers. They can enjoy the nature and they can eat. And I will eat the chips. Today I go to work, but different shift I have. Like little different because I took additional shift. And today is different shift. That's why I can enjoy here some time in the yard. In the sun, which is good. I will sit here and get some hair. Let me take off hoodie. I have hat and glasses because it's still hot and I can enjoy some weather. Having shifts in later hours is in a way good because then I can still have some day, be outside, enjoy it, not be closed in all day in the warehouse. Other way I'm very all day. And then when I get out, it's dark. And before I go over, it's light, but I go sleep. I sleep and I don't use that sun. It's nice outside, guys. I don't know if my boyfriend will take me to work today because he's still sleeping, or I will have to take Uber. If Uber, I have to get out of house near 2. I have to eat. Maybe I will eat at 1. Yeah, chips. I will have some chips. Little pig. Nice. Here. I was standing, now I'm feeling a little hot. So I'm resting here in shade. I soon have to get home and take shower and prepare for work. It feels warm here. Today was 71. A nice day. Tomorrow will be 70. So maybe tomorrow I will repeat this. And it is nice here. Yeah, night shifts are a little middle night shift, not fully night shifts are good because when I have time in the day to enjoy. Unless to 6:30 it's too long, but middle night is better because you can go and sleep and get up still not too late in the I have to buy some maybe electric bike to go to work, but then it will be raining in fall and snowing in winter. Maybe I should buy a car. But I don't know which one. Or maybe just keep driving over. Oh, sometimes both takes me today to sleep. It's now after 1 and he's still sleeping. He probably will not take. I'll have to tell him. Because he's on leave of absence. He don't go to work now. He's on leave of absence. Because of his leg. His leg got swollen and he was a doctor and they do some MRI to him. Because he had x-rays and they didn't show up much. Okay, I will have to go soon. See you later. Maybe I will later at work if I have chance. But who knows? A nice prayer now and at work. This is the prayer about passing license and I passed. So prayer that come true. But still have to end it because it's 54 days. And few days left. Okay, see you later. Greetings. Yay. Maybe later I block something. Must been some crash, right? Nice sky near my work here. I'm on 15 minutes break. It's now 6 something and it's nice here, but I have to go back to work from 6:40 till 8, then I have 1 hour break and I can walk around here and see what's here in this street, although it will be dark. Okay, going back to work. Outfit for work. Reebok, Amazon Essential, like socks, leggings by Victoria's Secret, t-shirt Walmart, vest from Amazon. Bye. mind